Student Award. Next, I ask P. Nishita to be ready to receive the award for Best English Speaking Award. I again congratulate Mr. Raju and Mrs. Jyoti. K. Shivashankar for the Best Handwriting Award. I request K. Shivashankar to please come up on the stage and receive the Best Handwriting Award. I again congratulate Mr. Venkatashari and Navya as they are the parents of the kids. They must be feeling very proud as the children today are receiving the awards throughout their excellence. I request Mrs. Nirmala and Raju to please come up on the stage as the daughter is receiving the award for the best student. I also request the next parents, Rajesh and Jyoti, to please come and stand near the dais as the child P. Ishka is receiving the award for the best speaking in the class. Mr. Venkatachari and Navya Madam, please gather near the stage as K. Shivashankar is receiving award for the best handwriting throughout the academic year. Does not only run with the best students speaking English or handwriting. We also have an award for the regular student. I request A. Kaushik to please come up on the stage with the parents, Mr. Srinu and Sarada, to please receive the award for the regular student throughout the academic year from the grade 1. Here all the S. Dileshwari. I request S. Dileshwari for the best academic performance to receive the award here. I request Mr. Ramu and Nadamani to please come out here near the stage to receive the awards with the children. With this ends with the grade 1 students. I request grade 2 students to please get ready to receive their Academic Excellence Award. I ask J. Pawan to get ready to receive the Best Student Award from the grade 2. J. Pawan from grade 2, please I come up on stage here with the parents, Mr. Mohan and Mrs. Jaya. I ask them to please gather near the stage as the child is receiving the Best Student Award for the excellence in the academics from the grade 2. Next, I request S. Best Handwriting from the grade 2. K. Deepali. I request K. Deepali to come up near the stage and also request parents Mr. Ramesh and Jyoti Lakshmi to come up near the stage and receive the award for Best Handwriting. As the children are receiving award, I don't see any excitement in the people sitting here. I want every one of you to clap very loudly because this is a very esteemed award for all the children. Throughout the academic year, whatever hard work they have done is not presenting students from them are all principals and directors. So I don't want all you to listen like this quietly. I want every one of you to loud cheer for them all because they deserve this, right? I request next K. Niharika. K. Niharika to come up on the stage for the Regular Student Award from grade 2. Please come up on the stage with your parents, Mr. Buji and Mrs. Manya. K. Niharika from grade 2. And it's time for the Academic Performance Award. M. Vishnav Tej. Suresh and Lakshmi Garu, please come up on the stage. Suresh and Mr. Dhanalakshmi Garu, please come up here on the stage with the M. Vaishnav Tej to receive the award for the Best Academic Excellence. I I do not see any excitement in the parents. I want every one of you to please clap very loudly. We are all here to cheer our students, right?
So,